Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 2290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 2290 isn't charging and only works when plugged in, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can occur due to wear and tear over time or a fault in the battery itself. If left unresolved, it may lead to permanent damage to your device, making it unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 2290. First, ensure your device is unplugged and turned off. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of your Conga 2290, starting at one of the corners. Be cautious to avoid damaging the casing during this process. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery, which is typically secured by several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. You may find a couple of connectors attached to the battery. Gently disconnect these cables, ensuring you do not pull on them too hard to avoid damaging the connectors on the motherboard. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the same slot, reconnecting the cable securely. Make sure the battery is seated properly and that there are no loose connections. After replacing the battery, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the battery without causing any damage. Once everything is in place, carefully snap the back cover onto your Conga 2290, ensuring it is aligned correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid leaving your device plugged in for long periods when fully charged, as this can affect the battery's lifespan. Additionally, try to maintain your device at moderate temperatures and avoid exposing it to extreme heat or cold. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.